everybody! In this video, we're going to make some rice blueberry muffins. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat them up. Add some lemon zest, or just the lemon skin. Don't forget to mix it in. Add 4 spoonfuls of applesauce. Add a pinch of salt for contrast. Mix it well. Add some olive oil, 1 spoon to be exact. Add a spoonful of honey or sugar. Add 1 1/4 cups of rice flour, or you could use regular flour if that's all you have in your pantry right now. Add some blueberries. Add 2 spoons of milk if it's too thick. Don't forget to oil your pan so it does not stick. Add your batter into the pan. Add some chocolate chips. Ten minutes later, we have perfection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That would help us a lot. So much. See you guys next time. Bye!